Move they go now. Wait till I see the waiting.
I don't understand. See, if you won't go, just they go. We still there here. No, they hurry anybody here.
I know see that girl when I dey here they wait. See me tell you, that girl no go pass here. Even though that girl pass here, you no go follow us talk.
What if your own problem, sir? With or without that girl, we never ready to go. If you want to go, just they go. No, they disturb us again.
See, the friend no forget say na test we go first right for school today. Move they go now.
Just take a look at a person I want to write test. You want to go and write test. By the way, where's your bag? You want to go and write test.
My bag is at school. See, what of if that girl don't pass here? Then we go come the wait and here.
Oh, see, just no they talk again. Like this, just the reason why he go take the girl. Now we distract him. Maybe we say that girl go come now. We will go to do another thing. We'll leave him. May they focus.
And by the way, sir, why are you even still carrying this thing to follow us?
You know, say for UK and US, once in at 12 o'clock, everybody supposed to eat afternoon food.
And US you do?
No be divine, say me they do responsible. So I say, man, I they do better. See me they go school now.
Okay, time. Oh, she's a kid, no. Please do. Maurice, disappear. I'm going.
Hello. I'm talking to you.
Are you mad? Are you crazy? How dare you? Try to stop me again. I'll kill you.
See, you get locked.
Who is talking? Who is talking? What do you want to say? Do you know who I am? Do you know who my father is? Talk! Nonsense. Just look at them. Set of poverty schools. Orange and green. Who wears this kind of stupid combination to school? What kind of school do you go to? Listen, I do not want to be stopped by a group of mentally ill boys again when going to school. As you see me, I am not in your class. We're not the same level, okay? You're carrying a food flask.
Child!
Who still carries food flasks to school? Ooh. Are you children?
I want problems, always!
How dare you look at me and expect me not to
Down.
You pour my food.
What do you think you want to do?
See, I don't want to say I pocket money. See. Now because of this girl to hold my food now.
You be mumu. You think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Boy, okay. Now when they come to start there. What the hell can you go to school now? Oh! That girl go for my food. Even as they give you that slap set, you say touch me for.
Oh, you won't say what be your own self, eh? Slap him, matter since what be your own.
I dey try explain the matter now. I be man no explain again.
So what be your own self? Now they slap, now you dey explain, now be the explanation what you dey do.
I know say you na bad person, me na better person. I dey try explain to them. May we no go deceive. At least me dey try cut in coat according to his size.
So we should start cutting coats according to size, Abi?
No, maybe they think.
Is it how you want it? Since it's like that, I don't see any reason you should be hanging around with us. From now, you hang around with your fellow mates.
Let me find his way.
No, that is not what I mean. I mean say, you, like the coach, you go dey cut am according.
The slap you gave that boy was very hot. Hot? Did you see what happened? He touched me. Ew!
It meant no harm. He only wanted to talk to you.
Did I look this good? The jewelries, the makeup, just to be talked to by a lowlife.
I know that boy.
You know him? How?
Not that I know him that much, but I've heard a lot about him.
What did you hear about him?
Although he may be a low life.
A lowlife. And that is it. He is a lowlife. And I don't do lowlives. Okay? Case closed.
Excuse me, I want to pass.
Please take the other stair. Okay?
No, I want to make use of this one.
I said take the other stair. This one is blocked.
But there is nothing like blocks. You are just blocking the road.
I said take the other stair. This one is blocked.
No, I want to take this one.
Are you mad? Are you crazy?
Did you just hit me?
Yes! I said take the other stair. Why are you exchanging words with me? Am I your mate? Do you know who I am? Do you know who I am? Please, girls, please. Take this guy out of here. You're pissing me off. Leave me alone. 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 You guys.
I want problems always.
I think she's new in this school. She doesn't know who my father is.
Oh my god, clown.
I could buy her. You know, right?
Sure.
So, guy, what's your next plan about this girl now?
What do you mean plans? I don't believe you're asking this kind of question. Were you not there when she humiliated me and you're asking of plans? I don't have any plans, bro.
How
The
is it
girl have
funny?
to go, guy.
You want to let her go?
What do you want me to do?
No, you need to do something. You need to fight. Yes.
Can you hear yourself? I should fight because of a woman.
You said you love her, so you should fight because of her.
I can't do that.
He's a stubborn girl, and if you are keeping acting like a gentleman to him, so you need to
You guys do not wait for me.
wait for you for what? What was that again?
Nah.
Have you not followed those your maid that you have sewn your clothes according to their side?
No, that's not what I mean. No, I mean normal coat like suit. Divine, I'm sorry.
Sorry. We have not forgiven you. You should keep that in mind. We have not forgiven you at all.
Ha! I thought you did not help me write test today, and I even failed everything self.
That's your own business. You need to buy snacks for us before we forgive you.
You are talking about snacks. Me, if I have money, I would have eaten since now. Is it not only what I'm drinking? See that rubbish girl? Don't go pour my food.
Just the beginning. Let's go.
I'm sorry now. Okay.
So, we're gonna get this one and that one. So, between this and this, we're going to think it's better.
I like this.
I prefer this.
No. I like this.
I get this one.
Hi, excuse me.
Okay, I like.
Excuse me, please, can I talk to you?
What do you want?
Sorry for intruding. My name is Imesoma. I'm an art student and I would like to be your friend if you don't mind.
An art student cannot be our friend.
Why? I'm intelligent. The most intelligent student in my class.
Intelligent but naive. Art students are always naive.
Well, I'm not that naive. Just that I don't stay around my type.
Do you live downhill or uphill?
In between.
What do you mean by in between?
The leveled hard street between downhill and uphill.
That street has lots of towns. It's downhill. Baby girl, school is over. Stand the gate and find your flag. Okay?
Come on now. Finish me.
It's chill, right?
We must learn a lesson. Hey!
Don't you dare talk to me again. Whenever you see me, do not talk to me. Because this is just an example of what I will do to you if you talk to me again next time.
We must learn a lesson.
Hey, this girl don't see you finish.
So have your money. Girls, we're going to go to another shop and get the drinks, okay?
Hey, my English language, they call this one see finish. This girl don't see you finish.
Guy, you know that other girl go like that too. No, follow him, no beat him.
No bitter now, should be if you don't come out. Sorry.
Bobby Pico light ya sewa, pass ya bewa, matani mystery fuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa, matani mystery fuka guys ya bewa, bolo toko, wanda mmefe wote lego ball, mata street fuka mense ko yale, jabu na da bet every day my guys go salo, ana chigini wanda fana chiko pepa, wo tu well away, abule fani na so ni mafa ni mo way, wanda biko jo man nigga so kwa fama way. Owe, body. 1 back, 2 back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one, but they say why. 1 back, 2 back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one, but they say why.
Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them troubles.
Hello. Hello, sweet girls. Can I give you guys a ride?
Excuse me?
Hop into my car, let me give you a ride.
Which way are you going?
I'm going your way.
You're not going to pass our bus stop.
I promise I won't.
Okay.
1 back, 2 back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one, but they say why. 1 back, 2 back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one, but they say why.
Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them troubles.
One back, 2 back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one, but they say why. 1 back, 2 back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one, but they say why.
With the street fame, OT with hanky, blowing the fan, rugged and juggling, body for fun, men straight bloodshot eyes, Obi Adira funny.
Stop here.
Now here on one stop.
Yeah, please stop us here.
Oh yeah, now give me your number, make we dey communicate.
You were speaking English with us earlier. What happened?
I don't dey used to pidgin, oh. That one know me say I know sabi book.
I will not give you my number. I only associate with intelligent people.
I dey intelligent, oh. Hey.
Over intelligent.
I dey intelligent well. Only say na street nowadays and pidgin English don't master me. Shey they get am. But that one know me say something no dey here, something dey here, abi.
Okay. Write a letter and submit it to me. Then we can now know how forward we can go about this.
No wahala now. Everywhere
Letter.
Good. She say my write love letter now.
With the street fame, OT with hanky, blowing the fan, rugged and juggling, body for fun, men straight bloodshot eyes, Obi Adira funny. We come, we go, we leave the mark. If that's not enough, we can map your grave.
No, now, Panka. Wetin be this now? I tell you, say I don't already pass that level. Me and her don't yarn. We don't align. I don't carry her for my car. See wetin I want. I want to make you use better English. Arrange better love letter for me. You dey hear me? Na better English you go use, oh. No use pidgin English. All this your bagorobada. No use am, oh.
Chamo, I no go like give you for primary 2. I stop for Oko for school. Even our other self, I know they even go school that way. That one I no feel right am, oh. That one pass me.
Opanka, you know sabi write love letter.
Hi. Did they do love for nature?
Mess up. You know sabi write love, ordinary love.
Chamo, omilele na no reason na.
Chamo.
No chamomio. No, just try chamomio. So all of na we sit down here no feel write love letter. Una dey follow Woski, but nothing dey on head. Chai. No wonder government ban Igbo. Weed, no wonder they no wan use eye see because e dey corrupt una head. I swear to God.
Chamo, omilele no verse na.
I don already dey verse. The thing dey pepper me for body now. I dey verse. Even you Opanka, you no fit write love letter, ordinary love letter. You no fit.
Reverse.
Una go find how go take do am o. Opanka, even you.
Omo kana police the confuse tai chi
Big cross play.
Niga fuanya. Oya pick it too Mala kapi.
Boom. Denabia no.
Pick it too
One day.
Mala kapi. Ichana na egwu. Mma chiri kwese gị n'aka. Pick it too Chief Shawla Meisha. Need you so. Pick two Pick two Last card ya. And check up Shake. Odikina yara.
Baba, wait. Calm down.
Ichana na egwu.
Negodumo, I bet you for 30 can go win your I bet you can go win.
You guys don't cheat me. You don't cheat me.
Ibe na ko wan no yeli ni rolo yeli gie. Edu kwa we.
Nyem what wa. Nyem what wa. Odikina yara. Nyem what wa. Mala kapi.
Negodu mbangolo.
You
think say they wine off.
Ni ga to shisha.
Negodu mbangolo hip to you.
Ni ga fuanya.
Jibiti igwe na-abụ ịgba n'aka ozugbo.
Na-eme ọsịsọ.
Stand steady o.
Nwanne nakwa ma n'iru.
Gbapụrụ onye bangụlụ ahụ.
Abịa wụpụ. Ite ka mbanye, come on. Ọtara atụ nọ ịsọ.
I don't appeal.
Ego na-ekwu okwu ite ka ndị atị pipe n'iru.
Ọmụ na polisa, they confuse Tai Chi.
Ị na-agba ya alị.
Ị na-achị mama aka.
Jibiti igwe.
Na-eme ọsịsọ.
Jibiti igwe ịsọ. Eto ka m nọ 925 ka iyi. Iri gbamgbam na-aga ya. Jibiti ive a. Nyemụra. Bido control game.
Sheba Paul. Ni ga-afụwa anya.
Na ọ gị na-atọ ọ bụ jiri tenu nnọọ mpa.
Wepụta ego gị.
Na rapụta tenu. Ọ gị na-atọ ọbụ ọkwa. Ọ bụrụ nkụkọta ịtọ ọbụ ọkwa ka m bụ ya na ọ.
Oya play. Ị na-abarụ m mba?
No. Nakwa ma n'iru adịmatụkwa ahụ.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
Mama.
Also na gallant.
Mama would
do. Mama. Obi adoro mama. Ama mi fe na me na azu na. JJ.
No be share my voice at the hear this.
JJ, ama mi fe na me bang.
I dey come make I confirm.
Mama.
You be mumu. You think say you dey wise. You are a mumu man.
Nah, Chamo, if you say you want know all the verse now.
We go find how we go do am. Okay. Yes, we go find how we go do am.
My baby. My baby.
What?
Baby, wetin dey sup now? I just dey kaba dey hear your voice when you dey yarn.
Wetin you hear?
I dey hear letter. Which are letter?
Na government letter o. Government appointment letter. We dey reason how we go take tidy now. You don't understand.
Baby. But you go feel right am now.
But I fit still give you pen and paper make you write am. How you see am?
But I say you go feel right am. Oh wahala.
I fit still write am. Why can't they laugh now?
Don't mind me.
What happened? Remove. What happens to your school uniform? Why is your school uniform wet like as if you are in nursery school?
Mama, it's just drink now. It's just drink. I will just wash it if I get home.
It's just drink, and you just wash it when you get home. It's better for you, because I'm not going to sew another school uniform for you. You are going to finish your secondary school with this one. I want you to get that into your head.
I have said this thing 1,000 times. I know. Once I wash it, to wash off.
And I'm saying it again. I want you to get it into your head. Just look at yourself. You are not even ashamed of yourself. Take this now and get out from this place. I dropped the key at the window by the right.
Mama.
What is it?
Is there food?
There is food. Leave. Divine! Why are you looking at that girl like that?
How am I looking at her now?
You're asking me how you looking at her. Do you know how long I've been watching you looking at that girl? Divine. How many times have I called you now? You better behave yourself and focus on your studies, because that girl is from a rich home. Did I make myself clear? Better. Take care of the house. I'm going to market to the store. Eh?
This one where you come at home today. What do they find for here?
What is the meaning of this?
Oh, he dey speak English.
See, no be wetin we carry. See, you get my pour my food for morning, abi. Yeah. See, wetin you come here to beat this day? If you look, Nagari. See, Nagari, you come our hood, come by. You dey form get when Papa get money. See, I go show you say na my hood I dey. I go show you say na my hood you come. You get my pour my food. You never even start. Na me and you for this area. Calm down. See,
you're going to give me the money you just
wait now.
I used to buy it. Come on. Do you want me to?
This guy don't know me, oh. You don't. Okay, you there, man?
Divine, come out, oh. Wait. Guy, come.
What happened now? Why are you shouting my name?
See, you don't stop like this, so me and Nwata Koko will go block that girl. Eh? As you come, they talk to them. Now Nwata will come tear her gari. Now the girl come hold am for Nika say you go pay before you go allow him go.
I don't understand. You blocked which girl?
Sharon now. Block am for the next street as you see am they go with the gari from her hood.
You sent two people now. Why you doing like this?
Wait, no be bad thing we do. We not like the way we take the embarrass you up and down. You know, for this street here.
Who sent you people now? Who sent you to block her now? Who sent you?
Na my fault. Na me tear the gari.
I better wait till I'm coming.
Where you now?
Why would you do something like? Where is the place now?
Let me tear the gari at this place. Come be fast.
You are going to give me the money I used to buy.
See, if I come to tell you and you don't leave me, I go raise my hand on you now.
I will hit you now.
Jesus.
How can you assault someone like that?
See me. No matter who there, I go do anything here. Person no go know.
I don't understand what you're saying.
Leave me one.
Money.
Leave me two.
Get me another carrot. You are mad.
Leave me one. Leave me two.
Today, one of us is going to die.
Hey Jesus. See, you pour my food. You pour my food in the money. See, I know even care if your papa get money or not. I could just beat you here now. Leave me one.
Try.
Two.
Everybody come for us.
See, that because you be girl, oh. That because
beat you.
Me that. See, people move that come on. I go beat.
Come back.
I go beat you. Hey, Jesus, why this guy gonna embarrass me like this? See, me will be rude. If I come from 1 to 10, you don't leave me. 1, 2.
You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
I'm not the one that sent them. Oh. I'm sorry. Can you just leave him, please?
I know that Gary now you go.
Shut up now. I brought the Gary for you.
See, you go replace my food though. You go buy me. Why you go bring your mama Gary give her? Thank you. I tell you say this girl dey very rude. See as you just collect Gary from you. Before nobody, before leave me, see 2 seconds more, I kill am. No, na come on time, sef.
Papa get money, won't kill am.
See, I no even get anything. I don't invest now. Man, go prepare.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
96 yeah. 97 ah. 98 yeah. 99 ah. 100 ah. Talk.
Oh boy, make I tell you.
Talk.
Not up. Wetin dey happen for here? So una never write the letter wey I say make una write. Now una sit down here this early morning, dey drink abi?
Chamo.
Una dey here dey drink the smoke abi?
Chamo.
You never reach like that. You never. Una dey mad. All of una dey craze. All of una dey mad. Una dey craze well.
Chamo, calm down.
I tell you no later why I say make una write. Una no fit write and now una dey here dey smoke dey drink.
Chamo, he never reach like that, man. Chamo, but he get one guy for hood. Where if he write that letter for you.
Where if he write am?
Yeah, Chamo.
The boy na strong man.
Chamo, that guy na Jew, but the guy too intelligent. I believe saying go deliver.
You dey whine? No, Panka, you dey whine? Person wey no be strong man, now you wan make he write love letter for Woski. Okay. This one na Judas o. Sharon, I don see am. This one na Judas o. You wan cast my matter for the full street, for the full hammer.
Akwanami go be Judas.
No, you wan let them know say I no sabi write love letter na wetin e mean?
No, Chamo, I no fit run you rebel na. Akwanami go done that type thing.
None of una fit write love letter. Even you wey dey form Chinese man, ordinary love letter you no fit write. If na today they do you go there. If I hear your voice for this house again, I go slap you for his hair. You see, make I tell you now. From today henceforth, nobody go drink or smoke for this house again. Make una deliver me that love letter. Make una deliver me that love letter.
Correct man.
Wait.
That guy is intelligent. He can't write any letter.
What if he was busy yesterday?
Busy? How can he be busy when he's interested in a damn self? Butcher is right. He might be busy. But it's just that I thought the letter would have come sooner, today.
I thought he's going to drop us at our school gate.
Of course. We deserve it. Very soon we'll be done with our finals and out of this school for good.
You deserve it. So much fun on the way. I can't even wait to drop this uniform, girls.
I know, right? And I'll be leaving my beautiful daughter behind. High five.
Wait. How much did you say you sold last night? The money is not complete.
It's 7 now. It's 7 painters I sold now.
7 painters?
Yes, ma'am.
I sold 2 yesterday. The remaining one is not up to half painter. And 1 painter is missing. What happened? How come?
Don't know about that one. Don't know.
You don't know about that one?
Continue.
If I miss my money. Because I cannot suffer all this suffer and my money will be missing. How much am I getting from selling garri? That if I want to go and buy another one, I will not see, my money will not complete. Remove your hand.
Mama, this is not. You're outside now.
I want to go and buy garri. I will be looking for money. My money is not complete. And you are the one that sold this goods. Divine, where is my money? Take your bag. Where is my money?
Mama, I'm not with your money.
Divine!
I'm serious.
Divine! This money is not complete and I want to go to market.
I'm not with your money now.
Divine, where is my money? Because I don't trust you. I don't trust the stupid friends you are keeping. Maybe they have taught you how to steal. Where is my money? Complete it. Let me go and buy garri.
I'm not with your money. Mama, this is not. Mama, I'm not with your money. Trust me now.
Divine, I don't trust you anymore. Since you started following those stupid friends of yours, I don't trust you. Give me my money.
I'm not with your money. Now you have checked. Did you see any money?
Did you? Why your face can't dey like this?
The way my mother harassed me because of that garage. Okay, you are laughing. What is funny?
No, I no laugh.
I'm now a comedian. What Akuko, by the way, who asked you? Who asked you to approach that girl? Did I ever come to you for help to fight for me? What Akuko, don't try that nonsense again. That nonsense you did yesterday, don't try it again. Are you hearing me? Because I can't afford carrying your cross for you. I will let you carry it yourself the next time. Are you hearing me?
I'm hearing you.
I'm a man. I can fight for myself if I need to.
Man. I hear you, man. But that girl, they very disrespectful. Upon say you go bring your mama Gary, can't give am. She just leave you and the guy and me come out just like that.
Oh. If you know what makes you come out, Abi. Now you what you go do? They think just did like plan work.
Plan work.
How do you expect her to see me now? As a weakling, because that is obviously what you have done. But Sha, it's the end. It's the end. There's nothing I will do.
The end. So you want to give up on her? How is that the end?
What do you expect me to do? With the way my mother spoke to me this morning, I have to let her go.
And now you talk better thing what I like. Now, only now you dey talk since I know you only this thing where you talk now. Na better thing what I like. See, leave that girl. Before you come start to dey carry dey steal your mama money, go dey give her.
Wait till this one they look for again.
Why they look the house now?
I truly wish I can have the opportunity like these kids.
See, imagination, imaginary. You want write wire for this house. You want write wire for 4 decking. Sometimes if I see two poverty where they think it go be like say they feel change Nigeria for good.
They make them troubles every day in the ghetto. We they make life choice, we they see them troubles every day in the ghetto. We they see life choice, we they make them troubles.
Bobby Biko light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani mystery fuka man ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani mystery fuka guys ya bewa. Bolo toko.
Where you? Problem. Mpa ina dia ikurako.
Go wash my car. Wash am fine. Wash am. Go there better. I dey comot now.
I know ampa. I wapi also now.
Jambo,
wait.
Your car.
Sometimes they all look at one but they say why. 1 back, 2 back, if you get. Sometimes they all look at one but they say why.
Every day in the ghetto, we they make life choice, we they see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we they see life choice, we they make them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we they make life choice, we they see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we they see life choice, we they make them troubles.
Ino na abụ ichi dị a. Ino na abụ ichi dị a. Ino na abụ ichi dị a.
Onye mkpu.
With the street fame, OT with hanky, blowing the fan, rugged than juggling, ugly for fun, man straight bloodshot eyes, maybe I did a funny.
Come break this Gary. Bros, come down. Wait, what? You don't mind? Bros, come break this Gary first. Come. See. Fine. You obey this Gary today. You obey this Gary today. Don't go anywhere. You obey this Gary today. You don't mad. You don't win it, yo. You don't win the third. Huh? You don't mad. You don't fear. You don't win the whole. You don't walk up.
Never just start. I don't even know who you be, but we go pay for this Gary today.
You will carry road. Your table, this is useless table. Carry a block highway. What are I put on the highway one day? One day I want to match him. Now match him again. It's crazy. You the mad?
You go pay for this Gary, oh. I know they follow you, they laugh. You
You
pay
the
for
mad?
this Gary.
If like you the work, oh, you don't win, oh.
What's it concern me and who you be? No, answer me. What's it concern me and who you
crazy.
go pay for my Gary?
You will carry table block highway.
Wow.
What are I put on my?
You tell me who give
when
you
you
motor
leave my trousers, if my table lap here, man, auto car here. You the mad?
You and that your chairman go here and today. You see this
You
money?
what you?
And I will bring her this money today.
You know what
And I will bring her this money today. I don't care your face, so. I don't care your face, so.
I go enter you. I go run enter you, this boy, oh.
What happened?
But I go run enter you,
I don't know if you know the see.
What the
fuck is scatter our Gary for there?
Mama, now put me this.
Yes.
The whole amo. Tell me what's the boy, oh. That amo.
What's the boy? Eh? Divine, please allow him go. Oh yeah, come and be going. Allow him.
Mama, there is nothing they will settle.
Hey!
It's money for this Gary that will settle
Divine,
this thing.
please listen to
Nothing
your
to
mother,
settle.
please.
You be like, you know the wrong man. What
Hey,
you do, eh?
Chimo,
You the bomb strong
Divine,
man, abi, eh?
Divine,
You go
please,
collect,
I'm
oh. You go collect with the money of
Abobi biko light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka guys ya bewa. Bolo toko, wanda me fe wotele go ball. Mata street fuka mensi ya koyale. Jabu na da bet every day my guys go salo. Ana chugini wanda fana chupa paper. Abu wo tu well away. Abule fani me na so di ma fani mo way. Wanda biko jo man nigga so kwa fama way.
Bring don't go hit person Gary with your motor.
You say wetin? But please do wetin? Shebi you na dey here when I tell that idiot make you go wash my car.
You tell him now.
I don't tell am make you carry my car comot now. I tell am make you drive am. Which kind of bunny talk come be this one? Go call am for me. Call am. Tell am say I dey call am.
The woman wey get the Gary picking hole am for clothes say no go leave am.
Meaning wetin? No, wetin that one come mean? See, if I use my leg enter that armor, Mbamba go sup, oh. He go pay for damages. I swear to God, how boy go pay for damages, so?
Chamo Omilele, I believe say Bobbylin na still your boy and he started there, you still pass him. No, we still locate there, but we go. You no touch anywhere. Just make you owe me for him.
OT with hanky, blowing the fan, rugged and juggling, up with it for fun, main straight got short eyes, maybe I did a funny.
Okay, Chamo, clear road for you. Bye there. Pa 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 pa. Hey, Chamo, I go cry for you.
My Chamo.
My baby.
Bring my trousers now.
In the name of God, please leave him alone.
Mama, I'm not leaving you, Mom.
Please, I don't have Woski strength. Divine, please.
Mama, tell me make you leave me now.
Leave, come.
I gonna enter you, oh.
Calm down, calm down.
Okay,
Divine,
you want
please.
to do graga for Gary Way, Paul?
Hey.
No worry.
Divine,
I gonna enter you, oh.
Divine, please leave him. Allow him.
I'm gonna leave me, Daddy.
Allow him to go, please.
Mama, this way I've not started, though.
Hey.
You pay for this Gary, oh.
What kind of stubbornness is this? Eh?
My Chamo, don't you don't fuck up to collect today with the product. I tell me for my trousers, dog.
Mama, I'm not leaving you. I'm not leaving. They'll pay for. Mama, don't be afraid. Calm down. You pay for this Gary. Pay for it.
Who be this one?
Chamo. Now that intelligent boy be this, so that boy why they tell you now. That guy where they fucking intelligent for this hood.
Wait. Now that boy wanna talk say if he write my letter.
Yeah. Chamo, na that boy you in handwriting na typewriter.
E good as you talk because na in hand I wan first cut am. I wan first cut that in hand.
Chamo.
But intelligent way in dey don save am.
I swear. Chai, fine boy. You are so lucky.
Hey. Wait, leave am. Madam, how much be your Gary?
I beg, forget, no pay. Oh, no pay, you can just
forget.
go. Close your mouth.
Madam, no fear. You dey hear me? I wan pay for the Gary. How much be your Gary?
The Gary be 3 painters. But the money is 12,000. As for the table, you can leave it. The carpenter will fix it. Oh?
I will give you 15,000 naira. You dey hear me? No misbehave. Opanka.
Chamo.
Sort am out.
Hey, where are you? Give me that key. Come on, give me that key. Come on, fine boy. Why you know they two the small thing, the catchy person now?
Where you go? Police law come out. You dey craze. You dey craze.
Tamo.
Number one.
You know go see this guy again. Property.
Your house. Who dey block that man? Property.
Bobby Biko light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani mystery tuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani mystery tuka guys ya bewa. Bolo toko, wanda mmefe wote lego ball. Matani street tuka mense ko yale. Jabu na da bet every day my guys se bosalo. Ana chugini wanda fana chupa paper. No wo tu well away. Abule fani na suni ma fani my way. Wanda Biko jo my niggas so kwa my way. Owe baji. 1 bar, 2 bar, if you get na. Sometimes they all look at one by the say why. 1 bar, 2 bar, if you get na. Sometimes they all look at one by the say why.
Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice.
If you tata, nigga, ta fufu. Dobako toi.
You get money, carry chamo.
When he came.
Go dey follow woman.
Adikina yara. Don't. Malakapi. Woni enu.
Matter where? Match that idiot. Match him down.
Nigga, tambarana. What the fuck? Stand up here. Woni kagenu.
See, matter where? Come on. See this man. Opanka! Bottle! Look for bottle! Take it! Come! Okay. Come back here.
One boost.
Idiot. They mad.
Tamo.
You don't get orientation. Why can't they drive motor?
Brapi. Why? Tamo.
Mama, you should be happy. We recovered the money and we made extra change.
Me and you should be happy. Divine, listen. You are my only child. And there is no amount of money that will worth your life.
Mama, nothing will happen to me. I'm the one telling you now. Nothing will happen to me. And you haven't forgotten that I was brought up in this wood. I know my way around. I can't just allow anybody come and intimidate me now. No.
Can you just hear yourself? As in, you are an army. Do you think you can fight those boys that overpower the policemen in this community? I don't even know. They might come after their money. I'm afraid. Please. Listen, I'm not joking with you. Let today be the first and last this kind of nonsense will happen. Have I made myself clear? Good. What are you doing now?
I want to go and bathe too. I'm just fetching water.
Okay, hurry up and come and join me in the shop.
Okay. Mama, have you eaten?
Don't ask me, I'm not happy. Hurry up.
Mama.
Do fast.
No problem, I'm coming, Mama.
See, Dubai, from today, I'm going to call you Superman.
Swear.
See, as if people were just surprised today.
Deserve a moment.
Hey!
Why will you call me Superman? What did I do? I just stood up for my rights. That's all I did.
See, standing for your right against Wusk and his boys be like mini NSAS.
Say Wusk na God or it. See, let me tell you something. I don't like intimidation or oppression in any way. No matter who the person is, I will fight for my right, no matter who.
Guy, you did a lot too. I like your agility, but still you need to be very careful. Do you know that you are the only child of your mother? Hmm? What if they beat you mercilessly? What will your mother do? You think about it.
Did they beat me?
No.
Do you know why?
Why? Tell us.
Let me tell you something now. If I allow them to oppress me, you have given room for that. Why didn't give them that chance? Yes. You have to fight for your right at any cost, even if it warrants your life.
Yes.
You have to fight for your right. We really need to say no to intimidation, oppression, and molestation in this society.
Abobi biko light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka guys ya bewa. Bolo toko, wana minife wote lego ball. Matani street fuka mense ko yale. Jabu na na bed every day my guys go salo. Ana chugini wana fana chupa pepa. Anu wo tu well away. Abule fani ne na zuni ma fani mo way. Mana biko jo ma nigga so kwa fama way.
Opanka. Chamo. You sure say that boy go deliver me that later?
Chamo, the boy na delivery service. He go deliver. The boy na passport. He go deliver. Why you no go talk? You dey do like say you don't know the boy. Why you go ginger me like that? Wetin dey work you? Why you go? Which one be say na make your man answer question wey dey ask you? Chamo. You dey meant?
Chamo, me I believe say the boy go still deliver.
Babele, Chamo, go fetch that boy and come for me. I say make you go fetch that boy where they sell Gary. Tell her say what's you or what they call am.
Chamo, what up? How far? Lock me, make me go call that boy. There's no front to fence. Let's go.
Opanka.
Chamo.
Opanka.
I dey for you. Amount you.
Opanka.
400. Amount you.
I dey believe you.
Chamo, how about me go LG you now? You know be LG Plasma TV.
Where you, the boy? Where you, the boy? Laugh. Follow me, laugh. Chamo won't see you.
Like I follow you laugh. Chamo won't see me. You just woke up one morning. You don't have anything to do. Chamo won't see me. Like something is wrong with your head.
This boy, you know what be your problem? Your mouth in the run. You know about Kamoto. You don't follow me, talk to me. Follow me, laugh. Go see Chamo. Chamo won't see you.
I know they go anywhere. If Chamo won't come see me, make you use his leg come.
You say?
Make you use his leg come. You hear me?
Make Chamo use his two legs. What can call you at waiting? Who you be for this Chamo? If you want fuck you up for this Chamo, for this food where you dey like this, heaven no go come down, come save you.
That one where you talk na lie. I dare you make do that thing where dey your mind. I dare you.
Oh boy, forget that your big drama. Forget that your big drama. If I want fuck you up for this Chamo, we go run am. We go run am.
What is going on? Divine, what happened?
Mama, just relax. This one no be case. Just relax.
You know wetin?
No be, just relax.
My man don mountain there.
Wetin your
but
man
you be like tell your man till mountain there too.
Oga dey come here jare wetin dey worry you.
Fall back.
Come on here. I say make you come on here.
It's okay.
Abobi biko light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka guys ya bewa. Bolo toko, wana minife wote lego ball.
Oh, Chamo, this boy don't let him out, boy. But this small the boy no gree follow me. We be bubbling. Tell me I tell Chamo make you use him two leg come carry am.
You say wetin?
Where you waka?
Chamo, body dey pepper me.
Shey. Oifa kogwagi. Ifunfu da boy ya. No ga toshisha, no ga fuanya. Omo abulisa de konfuta chi ya. Njidia, nchirezi ya naka.
E be like say that boy don dey whine himself for this food. That boy don dey try himself for this armor. How can that boy go say make me Chamo one skill or make I use my two leg at this bend come mess up. That boy don't mess up. Chamo. Opanka. Chamo. Go carry my handbag on.
I'm out you.
Carry my handbag on.
I'm out you, my chamo.
It don't be.
Hey. Name must be so okay, bro.
Chamo, calm down.
With the street fame, OT with hanky, blowing the fan, rugged and juggling, body for fun, men straight blood, short eyes, be out there funny.
How can I go look back for this small chicken? But so, just 1 minute. I promise you, say that guy will come here.
Hey! Go fetch that boy, come. Go fetch and come.
Believe.
Believe.
Property. Who the block that man?
You go
I work at touch.
He ain't got potato.
I don't
Divine, fall out.
What is it?
Mama.
What is it that you want from my son again?
Mama, nothing now. Good afternoon. How about now?
What is good about the afternoon? What is it that you want from my son this time?
Mama, nothing so serious. So na Shomo na. You know, say Divine na very intelligent guy. Out of all the whole guys for this hood, na him Chomo choose. Making the wrong matter with now. They tidy up some things. Make you just carry on. We want to do 1 or 2 things with Shomo na, Mama. You understand how they be now?
Are you sure? You know why I'm saying all this? He's my only son. And I don't want anything to happen to him at all.
Mama, don't Mama, you don't forget that I be only son. For our house, we plenty now. But now, Mama rejected, Papa rejected. No, only me be the main son. Mama, no worry.
It's all right. I've had you. There's no problem.
Fine, boy. We'll go now.
Divine, come and follow them.
Follow them and go where... Mama, you didn't even ask me if I want to even go with them, sir. You're telling me to follow them.
Are you okay? Can't you see they have confirmed your intelligence? We can put out the Asoro hospital.
Calm down. Why you do like this? No, they go. Mama, no worry yourself. Make you just run 1 or 2 things for Chemo. No, government official. But
Divine, you don't need to worry. I trust your boy, okay?
Mama! Just relax. Nothing is all. I trust you. Didio! Oh, they go, my man. Fine boy. Nothing to happen, nothing to happen. Mama! With the boiling now. No worry.
Imagine, the bad boys in this community have confirmed my son's intelligence. That means very soon the government will also confirm his intelligence, and he will be the person they will be calling Divine right, Divine here, Divine there. Then I will be dancing because it's not easy. Not easy.
Intelligent boy. Intelligent boy. You see this letter where he write, I no fit read them. Even my boys no fit read them. They no fit pronounce the I love you way right inside. Not to talk of. No only you one. Now I know what you write. They hear me. They hear me, ba. And if I find out saying I mess up, saying I Johnson, now you right. I swear to God, I go kill you. Intelligent boy, I go wish you for your mama. She be hear me, ba. Hear what I talk. I don't hear you. Hope say the letter correct. So, where are you go? Intelligent boy! Intelligent boy!
Baby!
My love, what's it?
Who be that Smolly now?
You don't write my government appointment letter now. Very intelligent boy, you.
You don't read them.
I dey wait for you, make all read them for me now. You dey whine yourself. You dey use me catch cruise.
If I hear!
I think very important to say they don't write the letter to say they don't write.
Abi.
Hello.
Thunder Fire School.
My government appointment letter.
Thunder Fire School.
love you evermore. Love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day. Love you evermore. Love you till the ends of time. I will love you every day. Love you evermore. Love you till the ends of time. Baby, you mean so much to me, and love you just the way you are. What matters to me is you.
I say make I wait for you here, man. Know whether I will see you.
Where's your car?
My car dey mechanic, but he will come back soon.
Later.
Oh yeah, yeah. I will love you, baby. I will love you, baby. My love for you is immeasurable. What we have.
I read it in school. And if I don't like it, it's over.
No wahala now. Bah wahala.
Choi. Now this Molly I go mount in 2 years' time. Choi. See I'm now. My small lane. I dey like small things. Shomo.
I've read the letter. It is good. But there is one more thing you have to do.
Waiting be that.
There are some boys in your hood that always insult me. I want you to punish them. Teach them a very big lesson before my eyes.
So, waiting be their name.
Divine, his mother sells Gary, and his friends, the two boys he always hangs out with.
In mama they sell Gary.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
In mama they sell Gary.
Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
So, why you won't make I punish them for your front?
That's the way you can prove to me that you love me and you can protect me and provide for me.
Yeah. No, I wanna. The thing go some be say you go come my hood for evening. Make I match them.
No problem.
My English girl. English girl.
What's the law?
What's the law? Come on. Hey, where you? No try that thing. No try light that Igbo. Wait till they want you.
Every day they feel make you collect.
I tell them I say my woman they come. May nobody smoke Igbo. May nobody drink. May come and comport. We no go school. But we no go use our hand come dey cast ourselves now. You no make sense.
Chamo.
No try that rubbish again, no.
Hey, melenga wanyo mwa.
Hey, my baby. My baby. My baby. Oh, but we tell you my baby now. Oh, we tell you my baby.
Mwa watermelon.
Oh, ba mwa touch.
One no click ana buku sadali. Kwa 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 FTV. Mama shop right. Ega anu akamome. Over. Oti lona nkonko. Eh.
Cinderella.
Ogene. Ega anu akamome. Anu akam.
Make una see freshness na. Nwa the so soft. So, Alpha. Oh yeah, now make we enter inside.
No. You know I am here. So let's just get down to business.
You hear grandma? Grandma Titi! Pa, Choboyo.
Mpa.
Go carry those small rats, come. Go carry them, come. Matters are rising. Matters are rising.
Everywhere,
man. Where those boys? Alpha. How you want them? You go like to they see where they match them, abi.
No, that is not important.
These are the stones the man said we should pack.
More than stone plenty. How much like this?
He said 20,000.
Which one be 20,000? For all these stone? 20,000.
No, manage it now.
Never.
We need money now.
Be like so na be job. See me, I tell you. Tell the man make complete and 30,000, so we can split it into 3. 10,000 each.
Just talk to them.
That's not a bad idea.
Unless I will let you people work it alone.
Okay. Just talk to them. Good one.
This is what we'll do.
Who are these people again?
Senior man, good afternoon.
Who are these people again?
So now they business men, sorry.
Hello.
Didi, fine boy. Someone wants you now. Afana.
Tell him we are coming.
You are coming. You got no come kigeri up. Bruce. Where you? Perfect your alignment too.
I noticed so now they hear English again. Fine boy. Where could you go?
See, if you people are not going to see your mommy, I'm going.
More rats.
What's you?
Don't lie down.
Lie down, man. Don't go down in the talk to you.
Make I buy
Don't
bread
that
for
position
you.
or
Put your head for ground. Put your, if I see your eyes, I'll
Dear father there.
No, they loyal.
I don't be this happy. Hey! Where you? Carry your face up.
Fine boy.
Do
I said, could I carry your face up?
Humbly.
I don't be this happy.
Yes, there are these
Correct.
ones.
So, I want them. You want to see where would they mess them up? Like, you want to see where my boys they play them?
That is not necessary.
Opanka!
No. It is not necessary.
Make you play the tape now. Come by India, what to put your clean.
No, they are not as big as they claim to be, and you can protect me. I've seen that.
She said, I feel protect her.
Why can you just...
She said, I feel protect.
Yes, no.
I said she be no. Say Tamo, what's going on?
I can just know more.
But come. I protect you now. Carry them, go that backyard, go tie them.
Where you?
Carry them, go there. Tie them for that tree where they there.
Rise.
Humbly. Let me not touch.
Come here.
You here?
Good afternoon.
Go. You are who? What be your name, sir? Pata. You know who they are?
No.
Na my baby. Oh yeah, me will carry them.
Waka.
No, that they were going to.
So,
sit down.
Your matter, I don't know where you want to my baby one. So, how far now? My baby. How far, Choboyo? Go know within the sub there now. Know whether they learn them well.
You know I see the V now.
Abaka!
I want you hear the sound.
So, how far now? It's in the play now. Everything done solve. It's in the answer. You be my babe now, Abi. Be boyfriend and girlfriend. No, you the best.
I have to go now.
Hey. Okay, I don't want. Look, I see you off. Hey, Jesus. Okay, tell your Bundibo.
fine boy.
Chamo.
I have to go. Bye. See you later.
Don't be terrified, oh. Hey, English. What is see you later?
Chamo.
What can I bet you go do?
Chamo.
What can I bet you go do?
Fine girl she be.
I know say by next week, you see this bunny. You see this fine bunny. She could be my own.
Chamo.
Like she could
Chamo.
be my own.
Don't
Chamo.
Chamo.
My lie.
It don't matter. Put in the highway.
Okay, for stress.
Okay, kunako.
What's in the sun for there? What's in it? They don't post person here. I will deal with those boys. I be that boy. My man. My boy. Intelligent boy. Obedient boy. Obedient boy.
Fine boy.
Fine boy.
Hey, Chamo.
Beautiful boy. Beautiful, intelligent boy.
He's a very fine boy.
I just say they want slave too. I go like make you be one of my boys, so how you see him?
Bros, I'll think about it.
He call me bro, so.
Can you imagine?
The smaller call me bro, so now he be say he get respect.
Very
Intelligent can't get respect.
I swear.
Video. Okay. You know what thing goes up, Make una dey enjoy una self.
I swear.
If una want drink, if una want smoke, make una smoke. Nah, what's kick about around una falling. In a whining.
Nah, so.
Make una enjoy
Nah,
now.
so.
So I know the matter now.
Property.
We
Number one. I got you. See, me on a flex everywhere.
Relax your mind. Chilele. One day.
What in the fuck? No be Nigerian brew will you come, oh. Now go calm down.
Come, Oga Friday. Calm down.
Give you bros, but we are going, sir.
Wait, you have.
We are going, sir.
Didi.
It is smoky, Igbo.
Didi.
If you like saying Hollandia you got to a Fanta, they will give you this.
Nah, boy, and a small, you go cash out. That guy get something there inside him.
And one more me, I give him beer, he say no. Maybe na Fanta or Coke.
Eh? No, next time I go give him a shot bitter, no way.
But the boy intelligent, sha.
I don't know wetin bring problem between una. But I go make her believe say I dey punish you now. Una hear me?
Yes, boss.
But make una no find her trouble again, no, because that babe na my woman. Una hear wetin I talk?
Hear you.
Una hear me?
Yes, boss.
Divine. You hear wetin I talk?
Fine boy.
This one I never see no rain. Never see no rain. He dey form sexy boy.
Don't worry.
Beautiful boy.
Don't worry.
Muna dey go.
Fine bobo.
Beautiful boy, get sexy eyes.
Go buy comb. The comb in hair. Raw powder. Chamo.
What's your problem? Wait, let me explain now. Calm down, let me explain to you. Calm
So,
down now.
if to say the guy not stop you if you follow them drink that beer, right?
No be only this ones who go drink am. We be go drink am again. I don't even know wetin they do on
The
herself.
effect of this one where you want to take.
Can you hear yourself? Just you want to drink small. Just these few seconds you spent with them, look at the influence they have over you.
Does alcohol smell influence? See, let me tell you, I know that you people like missing opportunity. This is just once. This na free beer. Oh.
These few minutes where you deal with them now, you want to follow them, they drink, they hide, they do rubbish, those start, we no get future. It be like say you don't already join them, we don't know self.
You dey see future? How you take no say they no get future?
See your mind.
See, I tell you, say we drink beer no mean say we don't turn to gangster or that kind of thing. We don't see opportunity. You no go fit buy beer for me. You go just drink this one. We no go drink beer again now.
It is smoky, Igbo.
See, there's something you must learn today. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me, Oga?
I'm hearing you.
If you don't want to be a tout, are you listening very carefully? If you don't want to be a tout, better stay clear from them. Stay very far away from them. Are you hearing me?
Yeah, you, Pastor.
Anytime I see you with those touts, just consider yourself not my friend again. Just cancel every relationship we have that day. I'm serious. I'm not going to say it again.
Even you know that you are the only intelligent boy in this school. Most champion. Now why I know if you believe it, Sharon go feel the person like you go the date whiskey.
You see what you dey talk? You know they date any whiskey, you just they do all those in make pepper was.
See na lie, nothing like pepper. That girl they date whiskey as I'm talking to you.
Forget. You just they do all those things make hot because say that guy know they put body for him again. I make him. Make your mind deal.
Why are you doubting it? My guy, it is very, very possible. Let me tell you something. Women like money and power.
Oh. Now you focus with that. You know say this. They like the guy where they very intelligent too.
Nothing like intelligence. See, money and power. And waiting I know say women like. You see, any girl with the private school, no go fit believe say person with the government school, they intelligent person.
Now you the reason that one guy, nothing like that.
No, serious. So this thing where they tell are true. Serious.
This guy won't make you give up.
Okay, imagine. Are you not seeing the way she's underrating me? That one alone is an example for you.
If you do like that, forget.
Even looking down on you. Hope say you read book for this competition with you.
Why won't I read?
I trust you, man. I trust you.
I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time.
Child.
Baby, you mean so much.
Did you just blush? Me? Of course not.
I know I saw. You are blushing.
That can never happen. It's like you now look down on Sharon.
I know I saw. I saw her looking at him.
I was just looking for the possibility of him defeating Woski. And I didn't see anything. That was it. You've heard it now. Can you just rest? Yeah, let's go.
I will love you, baby. I will love you, baby. My love for you is immeasurable. What we have is so special.
She was looking at you, admiring you. I was like, maybe this guy have changed her mind.
Na lie. That can't you know that.
What's your own again?
That girl no go feel look at you. Why that girl go dey look at you? We were poor like this.
I don't blame you now. You have seen me finish.
See, the way you confronted Woski that time, I know that must be the reason why that girl is developing interest for you.
See, don't mind him. It's a lie. That can't you know that. See, that girl no go feel they look us. Maybe she dey look us, they go dey discuss their last say we no get money.
Try your best again. You say that girl will agree for you.
Ghana imagination they do you just the imagination because the girl they laugh us.
That's your problem. Believe what you want to believe. I'm late for school. I can't.
Girl where they look us they laugh because of how we dey. You just dey there they talk rubbish.
Abobi biko light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa.
Una sabi make up well. Una sabi cast matters. Why una no tell me say that girl papa na Mr. Richard? Rascal Mora is more OG ni mo ogbe. Why una no tell me now?
Jamo, wait. Now her papa be that?
Which kind of question be that one? I dey ask you which kind of bonny question be that one?
Chamo, me I still believe say level will never too cast. You understand? We fit just go grab that girl, make Chamo ta.
Normally, if I tell you say your brain they function like NEPA, believe me, your brain they come they go. You know they stable. Person wey I tell you say in papa girl level pass us for the government, you say make we go ta waiting.
Chamo now. But we fit just cover our eyes, you understand? Grab the
My
girl.
face don't cast. It don't cast. The man don't see my face. And like this, if anything happen to him pikin, na me go call hold ransom. Na me go call hold, na no be you now.
Chamo.
What you dey tell me?
Chamo.
And another thing wey dey kulele my mind now be say Na Opanka.
Chamo.
Keje.
Chamo.
Na Uski Wawa don't fall in love. Oh. Chamo don't go fall in love with that girl. Oh. I swear, like this now, I'm in love. Allah.
Chamo, but inside the streets no get love nah. No love for street.
Babe, when me and I almost conclude finish. Like this smile, last Camora, I ain't come fuck things off for me. Hi. Last Camora, hey, it's Bombao. Last Camora, get level now.
So he's a complete South and he's claiming to be a civilized South.
Which one is complete South and civilized South again?
A civilized South is a graduate who works under the government, while a complete South is that one who doesn't know anything but is claiming to be educated. Can you tell me more about him?
Me, I don't know anything about South too.
I mean, Divine.
I don't understand. Why do you suddenly want to know about Zubby? What do you need that for?
I think I'm falling in love.
Huh?
Really?
Are you for real?
Continue.
Divine, please take this Gary to number 9 Clisson Street. When you enter the compound, ask of Sharon's mother. In case you didn't see anybody to ask, just walk straight to the first flat. That is where they live.
First flat?
The first flat. Okay? Please don't forget.
I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time. Baby, you mean so much to me, and love you just the way you are. What matters to me is you. You make me wanna go low, wanna be by your side. Can't you see our love is true? Oh yeah, yeah. I will love you, baby. I will love you, baby. Oh yeah, yeah. I will love you, baby. I will love you, baby. My love for you is immeasurable. What we have is so special. Just my presence, my darkest part. My confidence, my everything, my heart rose. You are my confidence, my everything, my heart rose. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby. Oh baby, oh baby, oh baby.
Who is that? Who is it? Come in. Who are you?
Sorry, my mom sent me to one mommy Sharon's house. I don't know if...
Oh, yes. Come in, please. Come in.
Good evening, sir.
You're welcome.
Good evening. How are you?
Fine, sir.
Okay. That's the guy. Sharon. Frank, get the guy.
No. Divine. Is this you?
Do you know him?
Oh yes. He's the guy I told you about that answered all the mathematics questions in my school.
Really? Young man, you must be very intelligent.
Yeah. So it's good though. We're just trying our best.
Don't mind him, Dad. He is the best. He's my friend.
Young man, you must be good.
I know him too. Her mother is the one that I bought this guy from. So, Sharon, he is the best in mathematics, but how come your friend knows mathematics and you didn't perform well in your last academy? What happened? Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. My dear, tell your mom that I will transfer the money to her. Okay?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
My regards to your mom. Sharon, take the guy inside.
Must be a mathematics.
So, guy, why you not come grab the opportunity now? Why you come this guy them this way?
Grab which opportunity? Were you not there when that girl treated me bad? I need her to feel the pain and humiliation I felt now.
Yes.
I can't just let her have it like that. No.
Thank you. See, this thing when you talk, I like them. We need to deal with those girls. We need to like beat that girl, slap them. Even pour her dirty water self.
We. How would they be we now? Who be we?
Us now. No be us that girl embarrassed. We need to deal with that girl.
Us? No. Now let Divine she embarrassed.
You dey mad? What of my food she throw away? That day I no even eat for class.
That one don't go. See, guy, even Divine say you know they carry what woman do for mind. As she know they come back for you now. This time now the right time for you where you go shoot your shot. May you get what you they find since now for you.
For feelings we don't go. I can't do that. I can't even rekindle the feeling at all.
See, no regain the feelings. I no want again. See, no feeling again. That girl need to be beaten every day. Every day they go just beat them. You never even see me. I go still beat them for the food where she throw away. That one na my own personal case with her. Calm down.
Love you evermore, love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the ends of time. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the ends of time. Baby, you meant so much to me.
Divine, why did you insult me in the presence of my father?
How did I disgrace you now?
Answer my question, I'm talking to you. Why did you disgrace me?
What are you talking about? How did I disgrace you now?
I introduced you to my father as my friend. And instead of you to comply, you had to shove my hand away. What was that? What was the meaning of what you did? Huh?
Divine, what is this?
Oh my good evening. I'm not fine, no.
What happened?
I introduced Divine to my father as my friend. I told him to accept that he's my friend now. He had to shove my hand away, disgracing me. What kind of disgrace was that?
Divine, why now? She just being friendly with you.
Ma, who? She? Being friendly? Ma, you don't know this girl. Leave this rude and mannerless girl.
Did you just call me rude and mannerless? Did you just call me that name?
Oh, for time.
Mama, do you see what he's doing? All because I'm trying to be his friend. Does he think that people become my friend so easily? Do you know how hard to choose a friend is? I pick my friend wisely. And he's behaving like that.
Please, my daughter, calm down. Don't be offended, okay? I don't know why he's saying all these things to you. But I'll talk to him when I get inside.
Mama, do. You have to do. Because now I'm very angry. I'm very hungry.
My baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. My baby.
You didn't have any issue?
I don't have any idea. There's anything between them.
Well, let's move to them. Go on. No worries, go on.
She go apologize, give the boy. Like say we do him anything. That one come the phone.
So she gets mind, enter this hood, come they apologize to that little boy.
Obodo. Mpanampa. Samo. I tell you, say that boy. To put collect voto. Votoporiously.
This thing where you talk now, wetin that guy do? From this your talk now, wetin that guy do?
The boy no do anything, Abi.
Shamu, na that girl was supposed try to enter bush, drill am woto. You know as it be na, drill am.
But you know these matters now. And Papa don't see me. My face don't cast.
A chance we need, Shamu. Just a slight chance. Bam! Niruga Brugi rope on at this village now, you don't forget. Cages.
Babylon.
Tiama. Tamo.
Sharon, because say I want use you test love. It can't serve me breakfast.
Bamba.
Aye. Now who be that now? Now who be that Juma Noro? When the jike my favorite. Who them be? Where them dey? Alpha. Chomboyo. Tell me wetin dey happen. You send them go to market. Then they grace.
P lady.
No joy.
The P mama. Na street levels now. Just you need to calm down. Chile. Now we don't run this town. Understand?
Na street matter.
Na street matter now.
No lily.
Like I just leave love to rapport, you know. No one.
No lily. I foresee. They crazy. They don't know. If they don't know, they don't tell them. If they don't tell them, they don't see. For this Ama, for this Zanga what we dey, my favorite, then they won't make verse. Then they mad. My favorite. Baby, what's up now? This one way they snub me like this. What's up? My baby.
If you see the way he walked out on me, I was so shocked. Wow. Why would he walk out from you when you gave him an upper hand? He will walk out from you.
What do you mean I gave him an upper hand?
That boy is a lowlife. You and I know he doesn't fit into our class. The first mistake you made was introducing him to your parents as a friend, and the second was going to his place. What were you thinking?
That boy knows mathematics. And mathematics is very important to me.
If you had played the game well, he would have been teaching you mathematics and still be begging you to be his friend.
That's not true. What do you think?
He has forgotten you. Instead of coming after you. I don't know why, but that's what happened.
Exactly my thoughts. Because how can a boy that loves me so much suddenly stop loving me?
He felt humiliated and disrespected. You humiliated and disrespected him a lot.
So what do you think I should do?
Apologize to him.
What?
I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the ends of time. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the ends of time. Baby, you
Divine.
so much to me and
Divine. Divine, can you stop? Stop now. I want to apologize for everything.
What do you want?
I've accepted your friendship request. I'm ready to be friends.
God have mercy upon us.
I'm sorry, I can't be your friend. I can't be your friend.
Stop now.
Can I have my phone?
This handwriting looks unique, and I've only seen it once.
think say they wise. You are a mumu man.
Dad, can I ask you for a favor?
Anything for you, my sweetheart.
I'm in need of a math teacher.
Math teacher? I thought you said that young man is your friend. Doesn't he teach you mathematics in school?
Actually, we're not in the same school. And we're really not friends.
You don't want to be your friend?
The fault is actually from me. I used to insult him. But I don't do that anymore. I promise. I really am in need of a mathematics teacher, Dad.
Listen to me, my daughter. This is one of the reasons why I say you should stop looking down on people. Many people you call affluence in the society today, they come from the hood. I and your mother, we came from the hood. Most popular superstars you hear about today, they come from the hood. You see, you should stop looking down on people because today you know, tomorrow you don't know. Just take this case for example.
I really have learned my lessons, Dad.
I hope so. So what do you want? Do you want me to employ him for you?
Yes.
Consider it done. Anything for you, my daughter.
Oh, thank you, Dad. Thank you so much.
That's my daughter. That's my daughter. You know I can do anything for you.
I know.
Yeah. Just be a good girl.
I promise. I'm a good girl.
And promise never to look down on anyone anymore. You promise? That's my daughter.
I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time. Baby, you mean so much to me, and love you just the way you are. What matters to me is you.
Good afternoon, my daughter.
Amuche, good afternoon. You are looking always very young.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks for the compliments.
You're welcome.
Thank you. You saw you came to my house this morning to buy Gary. How is my friend? I hope she's doing fine.
She's fine. And we didn't come to buy Gary either. I've come to see your son.
My son?
Yes.
What did he do?
He did nothing. My daughter here said your son is a mathematics boy. So we've come to employ him to be teaching my daughter mathematics.
Let me call him.
Okay.
Divine! Divine! Divine!
Mama!
Please come. I just want to see you.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, boy. How are you?
Very, very fine, sir.
My daughter here wants to learn mathematics from you. Name your price.
Sorry, sir, but I don't understand what you mean by.
Okay, never mind. I will pay you 30,000 naira monthly for a start. Hope that will be fine by you.
Yes, very, very fine.
Okay, she will be coming Saturdays and Sundays after service.
Okay.
I know you're happy now. Be serious with your lectures, okay?
I'll see you later. Bye, Ma.
Bye.
Thank
So
you.
you're
Thank you,
welcome.
Amuche.
Thank you.
Be a good boy. Okay?
Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. My baby.
be all this careless movement, sef? No only picture una go dey show me. I dey ask you for blame. No only picture you go dey show me. The boy enter the house, una snap am. The boy enter the house, una snap am. Wetin dey happen for that house, for that inside compound? Wetin dey happen? Una suppose mount antenna now. Make I dey hear everything wey dey sup. Make I know wetin. We suppose know every. You come dey show me picture. Wetin you want make I use pictures do? I dey ask you. E be like say una two wan make I host una before una go accomplish well. Wetin come dey sup? Make una mount antenna inside that bedroom. I wan know wetin dey sup. I wan dey hear am. Dey hear me? Boy enter the compound. Una go snap am. Dey snap rubbish. As I dey like this, I no get sure yo. Make una no just provoke me. Johnson man, no come mess up oh.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Fine, ma.
Sharon is now at home.
Where is she, ma?
She's attending private lesson. Did she tell you?
No, she didn't tell us. Where is she attending it?
I don't know, but I will tell her that you guys checked on her when she's back. Okay?
Okay, ma.
All right.
Thank you, ma.
Bye.
Bye, ma.
Bye.
Do you really believe she doesn't know where Sharon is attending the lesson?
No, she didn't tell us because Sharon chose not to tell us.
But why would Sharon forget to tell us?
She didn't forget to tell us. She chose not to tell us.
Sharon will never do such a thing.
Love can make a girl do stupid things, don't you know?
Stop acting as if you know more than I do.
Sharon might be in Divine's place. That might be a math teacher. That's why she didn't tell us.
You see why I asked you to stop acting as if you know more than I do? Sharon will never go to that wretched house to learn mathematics.
Let's go and check.
God forbid! I will never try it.
Love you evermore. Love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day. Love you evermore. Love you to the ends of time. I will love you every day. Love you evermore. Love you to the ends of time.
You see,
no, you know the inside though.
You check backyard?
No, only here.
Let me check backyard now.
You make me wanna go low, wanna be by your side. Can't you see our love is true?
What did this girl they do here?
What's up? Can you just explain to us what's going on?
And listen, I'm actually learning and I do not need disturbance.
You mean we are the disturbance?
See, all this the way they talk, no. What do you even do here? They do. Why you come here? See,
People should calm down first. Just go. I will let her. I will explain what happened. Just go, my girl.
You're welcome.
See, sister, they follow this girl. You know they do anyhow.
My everything, my heart roll. Oh baby, my baby. Oh baby, my baby.
Wait till you'd always go fight for that boy house.
What is this? And listen, it is none of your business. Now leave my way.
Sharon, how I go to pack my love they give you? You carry all the love where I pack, give you. Carry they give one small boy waiting for one side. You don't get manners. Your mama don't teach you. Sure?
I did not beg for your love. So take your love and go give it to somebody else.
What you give me daughter? I make a promote, I make a like you. Now I want you to solve.
I dare you! I dare each and every one of you. Touch me! I dare you!
Now listen. Listen and listen very good. See, make I give you last warning. This one a very last one, you know. I don't come near English girl. If you know what make I kill that boy, if you know what make I tie that boy, no they come this wood come find him. Shebi they hear me, ba? You dey hear me, Abi?
You know who my father is. Try me and see what he's going to do to you.
No wahala now. No wahala. No be your fault. Now love I blame. No be your fault. Now love now I blame. If not be love, me and you go there they talk all this nonsense. I don't fall in love now. I don't fall in love now. But
Shemo, forgive me.
Make una chill first. Make una calm down. Make una chill.
Who is Papa Peter? Papa, you this girl they talk to
you. Not even pay una the way they pay me. Pay me now.
Sharon,
English girl.
Sharon, why are you angry?
Can you imagine that useless Woski threatening to kill Divine if I ever go to his house again?
Excuse me. Wait, I'm lost here. Do you visit Divine?
Of course. My dad employed him as my math teacher.
No. That is unbelievable.
Any problem?
Sharon, that boy isn't your class.
Hold it there. I will not stand here and listen to this nonsense that is about to build up.
You better start accepting the changes. Because Divine is very intelligent. So you need to give him that respect.
What did they go on between Divine and Sharon?
I don't know anything. I don't know. Nothing is going on between them.
Malaka pi. Sheshi. Isinimala. Isinimala. Ana gogi ine kwezoku. Malaka pi.
I don't know anything about it.
Stand up.
Which one you say you don't know anything about?
Leave him. Anybody go tell him.
Come here.
Leave him. You say you know. I dey talk to you. You say you don't know.
You go play something.
Malaka pi.
You say you don't know.
No, honestly.
Lisa, show him as he dey be.
Where have you been now? Where have you been? We have been looking for you since.
Divine, you don't understand. I was kidnapped. I just escaped by God's grace.
You should be kidnapped like this. They just carry you, they no kidnap you now.
I be lying for you.
Talk to Abi, don't go follow girl, go somewhere, I be waiting.
Be serious now. Be serious.
I'm not joking, guy. Those Woski and his boy kidnapped me.
This is serious, so.
Honestly.
Why did they kidnap you?
I don't just know what's my offense. I was asked to tell them everything about you and Sharon, and I can't tell them, they know. So I told them I don't know anything about it.
And they let you go.
They slapped me once, thought. But why would they beat me in the first place?
You shouldn't be said they slap you once. I think you said they kidnap you now.
What did I do to them?
At least they go beat
It's
the way they
okay,
kidnap.
it's okay, guys. Moses.
Yes. Let's go. Your family, they are looking for you.
Thank you so much.
When they start to the kidnap you as president son or governor son.
It's okay, guy.
Let me tell you about it.
baby go light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani me street fuka guys ya bewa. Bolo toko, wanda me fe wotele go ball. Mata street fuka mense go yale. Jabu na da bet every day my guys go salo. Ana chigini wanda fana chiko paper. Abu wo tu well away. Abule fani na so di ma fa no way. Wanda bi go draw my niggas so kwa from away. Owe baji. 1 bar, 2 bar, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one by the say why. 1 bar, 2 bar, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one by the say why.
Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them troubles. Ayaya, jim jim jim. Ayaya, jim jim jim. Ayaya, jim jim jim. Ayaya, jim jim jim.
1 bar, 2 bar, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one by the say why. 1 bar, 2 bar, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one by the say why.
With the street fame, OT with hanky, blowing the fan, rugged and juggling, a body for fun, man straight cross short eyes, Obi Adira funny.
Number 1, rabbit, I'm a boy there. Okay.
I dey pity you for this school. Based on say you be small boy, you can't dey do pass yourself. Eh? So I dey show you mercy. You can't dey follow me, dey drag my woman.
Jesus!
No, you dey caress. You dey caress.
What did you do? What did you do to
And as for you,
we must learn a lesson.
you wey no know your work as mama, you go dey your pikin wey be small rat wey still dey secondary school, e go carry woman enter your family house. You go allow.
Don't try fast speak about my mother like that. I am get out. Come on, let's get that guy.
Divine, Mama, please, I want us to discuss something. I want you to quit that job you're having with Sharon for the sake of peace. Can you do that for me?
Mama, I can't do that for you. I can't. I can't quit 30,000 naira job for a start in a month. No. I can't quit. No.
Divine, do you know you are putting your life in danger? I'm not comfortable with the way Woski and his boys are beating you. What is 30,000 that you're endangering your life?
Mama, if it's because of Woski and his boys, I just allowed them slap me. I did it intentionally. If I need to handle them, I will handle them one by one. No, I can't quit the job.
Hey!
Wow.
Divine, you know you are my oldest child. I don't want you to handle them again. Please, Mike Taxon, I don't want you to handle them anymore. Divine, all I want you to do now is to quit that job. That's all I want. Please. For us to have peace, Biko.
Mama, I'm not quitting any job. You keep on bringing this over and over again. I've told you I'm not quitting any job. You need to stop bringing up this topic. I'm not quitting it.
Divine.
You mean that criminal stopped you today and threatened you?
Yes. They even threatened to kill Divine.
I know you lose your influence. I've been this guy here.
I've told you, that guy have government support. I will deal with them in the language those touts will understand.
Honey, you better do. You better do. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter.
Our daughter? He cannot come close to our daughter. He's that poor boy I pity.
Heavyweight.
It is smoky, Igbo.
See, I like a someone there on solid. Make we just there on solid or panka. You don't on solid now.
Everywhere, Maram.
Confirm. Who be that man? Who be that man? That's Kamura.
That's Kamura. Tomorrow in the sub.
Look at my face, like I could have killed a lot of people.
Which you they fight for my hood?
I ask you, what you find come for my hood?
Woski, or whatever you are called. Be careful. When men were men, where were you? At that bench there, waiting for an errand. You run errand for me and my guy, Apalewa. When we used to sit around, smoke, drink, with women around, with our guns, planning the next move. Don't forget, we are your ancestors. Be careful. You know how many men that went down? Operation Sweep, Operation Bochapu, Omata, and Bakassi. You know how many men that went down? You know them all.
That's Kamura. Gone are those days when men were boys. You hear me? All these ones where you just all these ones where you just they vomit. Now past tense now. We dey on a new era. On a new what? Era. Let me be the current. Let me be the present. King of my hood. I be the ruler. I be no wise. Eras Kamura, you know wise.
You might be the king of the hood now. But don't forget, we are the henchmen. We are your ancestors. Anytime you threaten my daughter again, or stop her mass lesson, I will make sure I get you down.
You go marry your daughter. That's Kamura, you go marry your daughter. And I ask you, I swear to God that if not be say you be able OG in Imo way. If not be say
I've warned you. It's never a threat, it's a promise. Next time I see you near my daughter or disturb her mass lesson again, I'll make sure you rot in jail.
I don't there for cheap talk.
Number one. Kwa 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 kwada kwa 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 nam kwam 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 kwa nam kwa. Twy! Ayayo! MTN. Number one. Sure.
I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time. Baby, you mean so much to me, and love you just the way you are.
What's that for now? You should be studying, man.
Do you not want me anymore?
Your father did not pay me for me to want you. He said we should study. That's not why he paid me.
But I asked him to pay you because I want you. Divine, I'm falling in love with you so deeply. And I cannot hide it anymore. So please, allow me.
God have mercy upon us.
My heart roll. Oh baby, oh baby, my baby.
This man. Oh, Mumu, not too much.
Oh baby, my baby.
You be bad guy. So you let her kiss that girl.
Sharon is I kissed her. Have you not been hearing what I told you since? She kissed me, I didn't kiss her.
You say, see, both the kisser and the kissy. Now they see the same thing. I feel like say two of them now, like kiss.
You don't have sense, Aji.
You see, hope so you do.
Ha. No. Ha. Sharon is.
You know do You sure? Sure say you know do
Not do I not do You know I've not done this kind of thing before. You're asking this kind of question.
Yeah, you better say me you know do me you just hold am like that. Because you know so you been tell me say na mass when I go do, when I dey solve. Understand? And from now so I don't enter another thing. So you better say me you just dey as you dey before that girl go get pregnant for you.
Now your belly. Mind your business. Man, I don't even know why I told you, sir.
See, no be saying na my belly. I just dey tell you now. Muna just end am like that because before you go from there enter another thing, Muna just leave am for that mass so na dey solve. Check am now.
I'm concerned. I don't know why I even told you in the first place. So I've just mind my business.
But no be say I no happy oh. You understand? I just dey give you advice make you hear what, but you be bad guy. Yeah, you bad though. You all these people they do small intelligent. You don't enter this girl now. No problem. I go see girl where they like me. We like O2 ways. We like
try and be O2 ways again. How many times will I tell you to live this life? It's not profitable, my guy. Live this life.
No problem. I know what I'm doing.
You don't know what you are doing. Don't say that. Live this life. It's not worth it.
Okay.
You should be thinking of how to leave the streets.
No problem. Go leave the street, but remember saying na the street we dey, na the street they born us. So we need to represent what?
Consign.
Everyone, I kissed him. Ew! Why would you kiss such a dirty boy? Doesn't his mouth smell?
Why would his mouth be smelling?
He's a low class. You don't brush.
Well, a shocker. He has the coolest breath I've ever come across.
That's impossible.
So tell me, don't mind her. Did he make any response?
Yeah, he did, but I guess he was naive.
He didn't even make any attempt.
He did not even hold me.
Would you have allowed that dirty boy go that far with you?
Chizaba, listen to me. Divine is my man.
And you gotta treat him with respect. Okay? If you're gonna keep talking trash about Divine, I don't think I'm needed here. I gotta go. Bye.
Girl, let me tell you something. Love, a powerful thing. When it gets close to you, you begin to think the unthinkable.
Are you okay?
Oh dear, it's just a headache.
You don't look strong, my dear.
Headache?
Why don't you rest today?
No, Dad, I can't. I pay money for my lessons, so I have to go to them every day. So
No. Sharon, please. You can't learn mathematics with headache. Please, just stay at home today, okay?
Mom, If I had my JAM exam today or my WAEC exam or any other important exam and I have a headache, would I still feel at home?
My child, if it has to do with your health, you will sit it out. Yes.
Well, please. I'm fine. At least I can walk.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm off.
Honey?
If you insist, you can go, but take good care of yourself and come back early, okay?
Please.
Have a nice day.
Alright. Take care of yourself.
That's my daughter. She says she's fine. What do you do?
Mama, I don't know what's wrong with Sharon. We were just studying. All of a sudden, she said her body was disturbing her.
I said she's having fever.
I don't know, it's just hot. When I touched her, it was very hot, Mama.
When did you notice it?
Just now, Mama, when we were reading.
Okay, there's no problem. We still have some malaria and typhoid drugs inside. Let's go inside so I collect it and give it to her.
Okay.
Just hurry up.
Guy, what's up? What happened to her?
I don't know. Just we were reading, she just started developing fever.
So now why you go do hold her like this for waist like small pikin?
She said she's very weak now. You expect me to do
The person dey die, you are there talking nonsense. Since you fall in love, you don't start to do like move.
Now for you. Sure, you no believe say this our guy fit that girl. I know. You dey doubt. Now you don't get them now, you just dey over jealous.
Who dey over jealous? See, this guy since he fall in love, you know they get our time again. Woman don't dey control am, you don't dey do like this.
No go understand our love. You just lose guard them.
See person, they don't wipe person brain. That girl self they use jazz to hold that boy.
No be any jazz.
The point why I no go.
Oh yeah now, you just
they do like dog.
What happened? What's wrong with her? What happened?
Ma, I don't know actually. We were studying when she complained that her body was disturbing her. Then she started throwing up. Ma.
I knew she was not feeling alright. Well, I don't know why she don't like taking drugs.
Sir, sorry, I gave her some drugs at home. But I don't know if she has it.
You gave her drug and she took it?
Yes, ma'am.
My dear, you did well. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you so much. Okay. Well, please, I need to take her to the hospital.
Sure, let's do. What are we still waiting for?
Help me.
Whoa, yeah. Whoa. Abobi Biko light ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani mystery tuka mind ya bewa, pass ya sewa, pass ya bewa. Matani mystery tuka guys ya bewa. Bolo toko, wanda mimife wotele go ball. Matani street tuka mensi ya koyale. Jabu na ina bet every day my guys ya bosalo. Ana chugile wanda fana chupa pepa. Wo tu mwele way, abule fani nena sudi mafani ma way. Wanda Biko jo man nigga so kwa fama way.
Where you? Come here.
Okay, now what on you want run, Abi?
You, come here. I say near me. So you, small you, follow me, they drag my babe. You know they fear. Shut up! Bros waiting. Make I ask you.
Your gbola don't get size for cap. I dey ask you. No. So wetin come make you dey follow my babe? Listen, if I see you anywhere close near my babe, I go kill you. You hear me, ba? I go shoot you, gone. Opanka.
Daddy.
Make up this man, make it dey on solid.
Stop begging.
No worry, you go dey on solid now.
Stand up first, go this side.
Shut eyes, maybe I did it funny.
Also, make you like that. I go come you with salad, man. No gas. Roll like a roll. No, come this side. Come. Roll on the floor like a roll. Or I go recharge you. Where you? I begin to roll. Then come this side. Where you?
No, sorry.
No, waiting.
Bro, no, sorry.
You drink gas?
No.
Eh? Roll, begin the roll. I don't want to touch you.
Okay.
Opanka.
Daalụ m onye ọkụ siga n'amụ.
No, bro, stop. I beg. I don't want to
You do shout?
Hey, bros.
I say I want you. Make I like you.
I say I don't follow again. I beg. I don't follow.
Hey, you follow me before.
No, I don't follow before.
Fine boy. Samo. Fine boy.
I don't follow before. I don't go like swear.
To leave that girl Sharon alone, but you wouldn't listen. Eh? Look at your body. Look at the way they beat you like as if you are a criminal. Eh?
Hey. Sorry. You're so weak. We hear what happened now. Hope they don't wound you.
You blind? You see person where they beat like this. Which other one you want to see for him body? Hey, sorry. I don't tell you something you leave that girl, but you no go here.
So why you come to insult me now? Even this time now, the right time to blame. All those things not be his fault. Because Woski and his boys, they're very wicked and jealous. Now I made him to do this thing.
See, now because of that wickedness and jealousness, that's why I tell me you leave that girl. Me leave that girl, me get in peace of mind.
What are you trying to say? I try to say we should give room to oppression. For me, I'm not giving any room to oppression at all.
Look at you. You still have the mouth to speak that you don't give room for oppression. Divine. Are you all right? Is it when Woski and his boys kill you, you will leave that girl alone? Listen to me for once.
No, it's not what I mean, but at least those people, them big pastors, if you see the Oga Apobi, see, may we leave those people before.
Free will, determination, resistance. That's all we need to do.
I hear you say resist. Divine. Resist, Guinea. Are you not aware that you are my only child? What is all this nonsense? Is it because I'm keeping quiet? Listen, I don't want to see that girl in this house again. If you can't stop her from coming here, I will go to their house and tell her parents myself. Why are you proving so stubborn? Look at what they did to you.
Mommy, if you don't know their house, I go show you.
What happened to you?
No, it's nothing. It's just a minor accident.
It's not true. He was beaten by Woski and his boys.
Young man, is that true?
Yes, sir. But it's not something serious. Something I can handle.
Can handle it? How do you intend handling it?
Darling, I think this is enough reason to get Woski arrested. What is this?
Don't worry, darling. I know that guy. He's very smart. It's not yet enough reason.
Dad!
He will lie his way out.
Dad! Isn't it until he kills someone, that is when he can be arrested?
And for that reason, your math lesson starts holding in this house until I find a better way to make that young man rot in jail. Have I made myself clear?
Darling, you are right. From now on, you people need to rest and recover. Your lesson starts next week. Is that okay? Alright. Hey!
I'm so worried about me right now. Do you believe that she asked me to cut off connections with you? I'm really, really happy that your father found a way to.
Are they stalking us or what?
I don't really know.
They can't know where we are or what we are doing. That means they're following us.
That's really possible. You know, he has boys in the street that collect taxes. So, they can be monitoring us. It's very possible.
So, you said that he mentioned something about the case while he was beating you. Did you tell your friends about it?
Are you assuming my friends told him? No, that can't be possible now. They are my friends. It's not possible they told him. He's speaking out of assumption, you know. I told you he said he owns you and he's going to sleep with you, something like that.
God forbid. That is not in any way happening. I can't have something to do with somebody like that. Never. Listen, my love. Nothing is ever going to come between us.
Hey, so guy, like I dey very confused. Give it I know they understand though.
Confused?
Yes, no.
Why are you confused?
Like how these Ewoski boys know wetin dey happen for their absence. I be those jazz wey they do now we dey that strong.
No.
Give them all the information.
They are not using jazz. Me and you know that jazz cannot do that one.
They say Pav no they use the jazz. Yeah. So if they know they use jazz, how they take know wetin dey happen for divine compound?
Me and you know say Woski get boys everywhere. You understand? Maybe one of his boys might have told him.
I know he get boys, but his boy know they stay for divine compound, and you know that too.
Are you trying to tell me that someone might have been telling Woski about divine and
exactly how you take know my mind? Person they tell them information.
And hope you are not suspecting me.
So is there any reason why I suspect you?
See, now why I know they like discuss with you? You understand? Because you do not have sense. Why are you suspecting me?
Why will you be insulting me now? See, mind your word, or my what to say to me? Oh.
You want to fight me?
It's nothing.
See, I can't come in your house and be fighting you. Let me be going first.
Where do you think you are going to now?
Sharon, is this how you do your maths lesson?
No, Mom. We study on daily basis.
Then what is it with the kiss?
Mom, I promise it's the second time. And we've not been kissing. I promise we've been studying.
So, your daddy paid for you to study and you were here kissing, doing something else.
Are you trying to tell me that when you were my age, you did not fall in love?
Sharon, I never fell in love when I was in secondary school until I left the school.
Well, I'm going to leave secondary school this year. And I promise, Mom, it's not going to go past just kissing.
Sharon, you know your daddy won't tolerate this if he finds out. Eh? Face your study. He won't like it.
Love you evermore. Love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day. Love you evermore. Love you till the end of time.
What were you doing?
I will love you every day. Love you evermore.
A, B, C, D, that's where you see S.
Baby, you mean so much.
Look. I'll show you. Here. Let's go.
I thought we talked about this earlier now. I thought we talked that you shouldn't be coming around.
I brought you food.
You could have asked me to come and get it myself now. What's happening?
No, not the blame am, leave am. She don't really bring am now. Thank you, fine girl.
Have you eaten?
Didn't you hear the word I said? She's not supposed to leave this house until further notice.
She only took food to him. She'll be back very soon. Just shortly she'll be back. Please don't be annoyed.
I'm not worried about my daughter either. I know that bastard knows that he dare not lay a finger on my daughter. But I'm worried about that poor innocent boy, her teacher. The boy is passing through a lot of molestation in that hood. Yet I could not help him.
Listen, nothing will happen to anybody today. Please, nothing will happen. She insisted. I couldn't stop her. Please.
That's okay. But next time, you should invite the boy over here to come and eat.
It's okay, darling. I will do that.
And meanwhile, I don't buy the idea of my daughter taking food from this house and going to give to a man.
It's okay. I think so. Cheer up, darling. Are you still hungry?
I'm not angry. It's okay.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby. My baby. Oh, baby.
I'm not remember for you.
Oh, baby.
Remember for you.
My baby.
Very, very nice.
It's up for you, like, which person birthday like this? White rice and stew. Now, where you? Come. Try that food, come. You know the English?
Jesus!
Today na your birthday. I dey ask you.
No,
Above you. Go down. Just go
down. Go down.
Bend down.
No, stand up.
Leave am.
You know say na you dey cause this thing, abi? Shey you know say na you dey cause all these matters? How come you go dey find this small boy dey enter this hood? Unto wetin? You cook rice and stew come for am. Today na him birthday. Position. I swear to God, if not because of love, if not because say I see you fall in love, wetin I for do you here, I for play you anyhow. And you, they carry food come for you. You no fit say thank you. They carry white rice and stew. Come for you as small boy wey you be, as obedient, intelligent boy wey you be. You no fit say thank you.
Continue.
I am not hungry. Can't you say it? Make una my now. Hey!
Fall out.
Where you? Come here.
I tell her make you
come here. Come here. You tell her make you. Tell her make you go talk. What's the worry you?
Papa, it's okay now. It's okay.
What's happening? I don't tell you. I can make you feel chop.
What if they killed that boy today? What if?
Dad, would you be silent if they killed him?
But nothing I would have done to bring him back to life. You know that.
You have to do something about this. Our daughter's life is under threat here. Please. You have to deal with that idiot.
When I say she should stop going over to that house to take lectures, was I being stupid? I know that nothing will happen to my daughter. It's that poor boy that I pity. You guys should obey my instructions until I have enough reasons to jail that boy Woski.
You better do, honey. You have to deal with him.
Please, anytime you want to see him, he should come over here. Have I made myself clear?
Yes, Dad.
They nearly killed you. They should have killed them so they will know their class in their next life.
Why do you hate this boy so much? Do you prefer she date that whiskey of a guy?
What I'm saying is, she should forget everything about that hood entirely. She doesn't belong there.
Chizoba, do not make me get sick of you. I am beginning to get sick and tired of you. It will take a snap of a finger for me to get rid of you.
What matters to me is you.
Oh, my baby here. Okay, he has come. You guys should run along now. We're going inside.
He's charging us because of this dirty boy. How dirty and smelly he is. They should have killed you.
What's your problem? Divine, don't mind now. She's half of us thing.
What's all this reaction from you and Sharon? Isn't he dirty and smelly?
My confidence, my everything, my heart run.
I'm really sorry about what happened, young man. If my daughter had listened to me, these people wouldn't have touched you again.
Sir, we shouldn't put the blame on her. She didn't do anything actually. What I see is that Oski is trying to put me in a kind of fight or something like that.
Please don't do. Woski will deal with you. I know that young man is a very bad guy. Just allow me to handle them my own way. I will make sure they rot in jail. Meanwhile, apart from smoking and drinking, do you know any other crime they commit in the hood?
Yes, now they do harass people. They beat people anyhow.
Beat people anyhow. You are an evidence to that. I mean serious crime they commit in the hood.
So I can't really tell you. You know I don't pay attention to things happening in the hood. But if you want me to look, I can still look around and gather some evidence.
Yes.
You better do. I need those evidence to deal with those boys and make sure they rot in jail. Sharon, go and fetch him some food.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
You are welcome.
Come tomorrow by 1. I have a surprise for you.
I'm not really sure I can come.
You have to make it tomorrow.
Okay, since I'll try now. Hey, sorry. my lips are hurting. We're outside now.
I understand. But at least we can hug.
Yes, of course.
I love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you till the end of time.
I can't believe I did this. I'm very, very happy. Thank you.
It's nothing, okay? Don't you want to come inside?
They're not even this week. You know we have not started lessons.
Okay, it's okay. Hug me.
Thank you.
Bye. Hello.
Who knows whose clothes you borrowed this time? It fits him. Then, pig is always a pig.
What is the size of a problem, young lady?
Chizoba! From now onwards, you cease to be my friend. Go and never come back. Wait a minute. You're choosing that dirty boy over me? The dirty boy you call him is my boyfriend! I will not have you insult my boyfriend every day. That is not happening. So, we are not friends anymore. Go. It's fine. I will leave. I don't even need friends who will drop their class because of a wretched boy. She's sick. Okay. Let's go inside. I have a lot to tell you. Really? Okay.
My baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Oh, baby.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Madam. How are you?
Okay. What is the problem?
You spent a huge sum of 250,000 from your account this afternoon. May I know what that was used for?
It's my money. Am I not allowed to spend my money however I like?
Will you answer your father right now before I land you slap on your face?
I didn't like the way Divine was looking so unkept. The way people were looking down on him and stuff. So I had to buy him clothes.
Are you okay? Are you out of your senses? How could you remove 250,000 naira in your account to buy clothes for a man? What nonsense are you talking about? Honey? Oh, I get it. So, because I did not tell your dad that both of you are dating, is that why?
I knew they were dating. I know she was crushing on him when the time he said I should employ him as her private teacher. I know. But what baffles me is the reason she would spend such amount of money without letting me.
And I'm sorry for not telling you anything. But I didn't like the way Divine was looking so unkept. And too poor. I wanted to do something for him. I wanted him to look like a man. I wanted him to look like someone that could be my math teacher. That's why I did what I did.
Now give me that ATM card. You are not making use of it any longer until after your wire card is charged. Now leave.
I don't like the way you're handling this issue. I don't.
Why are you sounding as if you didn't buy me clothes when I had none?
Oh my God. Yes, I did. But that was then, in our university level. She's too small for this now.
University, you said? This is a new generation. Children born into gadgets. You know how fast they learn. You don't need to be harsh on them if you must get it right as a parent.
This love story is getting too much.
You mean love story? Everyone has a love story. But since they know that we are aware of their lifestyle, I think they will not do anything stupid. Just calm down, Daddy.
It's okay.
Everything's under control.
It's fine.
What do you want my talk? I dey thank God say they no beat me and you now. I no follow you go. I just dey thank God.
Where you even dey safe? As you know, where you dey when they beat me?
My mama send me message.
Send you message. Where send you go? Where you know if you dey with me?
Which kind of question be that one? You don't turn to my family member. Oh. Say my mama send me message now.
She sharp lah.
This fine, no? Who buy this fine clothes for you?
Sharp. You see all this from?
Sharon surprised me, you guy.
Make I see.
Sharon, bought this clothes for you.
See, no argument. You just give me one jeans and one polo.
Me too.
No wala. But I have to show my mother first.
Hey,
show her first. No, this
mommy's boy. Mommy.
Hey.
Hey, you.
See, look.
You know, say I've been they tell you, you go to try to mind your business. May they no go beat you anyhow for this community.
But that thing is my fault.
If you don't mind your business, they go beat you. Now because you don't mind your business.
They try save guy man.
They save who? Save a Superman. Hey boss, that girl even bought some clothes for him, and he's not doing big boy because he has a lot of clothes.
Don't worry yourself. You see that boy? He'll come beg you for clothes today, no panic.
Hey!
I mean they tell you.
Sir.
No just panic.
Hey boss, I would like to.
You want no? Where are you? Give am smoke. Give am drink. Make you enjoy.
Hey, Panuku! Eba! Hey boss, if you are playing football, you are first 11. See Ronaldo for a Nilu. Hey! Eba! Hey, thank you, boss.
Alengo Boroko.
My favorite! My own baby! My favor! Baby! 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 Baby!
One back, two back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one but they say why. One back, two back, if you get in. Sometimes they all look at one but they say why.
Every day in the ghetto, we dey make life choice, we dey see them troubles. Every day in the ghetto, we dey see life choice, we dey make them.
You mean Sharon bought all these clothes for you?
Yes, Mama.
All these fine clothes?
I was surprised as well.
Including this one. Hey! God will bless her for me. My son, you look cute for this clothes.
Thank you, Mama. Divine. See, Mama, when I just hide all these clothes now. Before it go late. What kind of birds are coming now?
What do you mean?
Mama, now what I call our friend. All they go school together. And they give them all the information about us.
Really?
He cannot deny it, Mama. I saw him.
Guy, talk. This is not a joke. This is not a joke. We are serious here. Chance, what Akoko went to give us.
Will I be telling you lie? Just do it before it fast, before it gets late.
So what Akoko has been the one responsible for all this thing that happened to my son?
Exactly.
He's the one giving Woski and his boys information about my child.
I caught him red-handed this morning. Cannot deny it. I followed him up until I see where he was going to.
Wonder shall never end.
I believe it. I'm not sure, guy. You didn't.
Divine.
Wait,
calm down. Just go inside now. Remove this clothes. Now, remove it. Body palms. Go in. There's no time to waste. Please. Go.
Do it fast before it's late.
Hey! Oh, Mama, hey! Divine, please do fast. Hurry up. Get off the fan. You are still wearing them. Let them remove your leg.
Thank you.
I'm not going anywhere. I will stay back until the end of this. Don't tell me to go to the
Wear our clothes. Eh? Wear our clothes, you can't come to me. So, as I use scam boys, they ask you now, you know go comport yourself. If I enter inside that house, I go burn all the clothes with it here.
Woski, what is it now? What are you looking for this time? What is it? Leave my son alone.
No, make your hand no touch me. No even try.
My hand is not touching you.
No touch me. Your son get mind. Your son chop morale. They drag woman with me. Your small, we still dey secondary school. We suppose they read in book. You get mind. They join my baby with me. Or go they kill you.
I don't drag your girlfriend. I didn't drag your girlfriend with you. I don't know. Mama, I don't know what he's talking about though. I don't know.
You know drag my girlfriend with me, Abi? You know drag my girlfriend with me. The muscle, ba.
Please leave my son alone.
The muscle. They raise your shoulder.
Come on here, Mama. Let's go close.
Leave my son alone, no. Leave my son alone.
Boble, tell this woman say we go mess her up for this village. You get waist pain. Come down, take view. Waist pain, you get waist pain. As you no gree train your pikin well.
People should leave us alone, no. What leave us alone, no. I don't know what my son did to you, oh.
Nah, you see person wey dey drag woman, no. And dirty clothes, dirty dey vex me. Dirty clothes dey here. Now, where clothes dey?
Come here.
Tell you no clothes dey the house.
Where you? I say come here. I said make you come here.
You don't understand English. Huh?
Where that new clothes dey? Front, no clothes dey this house. No clothes. First thing I say clothes dey. No clothes dey the house. I don't tell you.
I will not do for. I still you know they touch me, madam. May your hand don't touch me.
Come on, touch her now. What you that one?
You want give me Ebola? You want give me Ebola?
So e don reach the level say you go dey lie give me because of weed.
No boss, no. I swear I didn't lie, boss.
You even come collect clothes. I dey ask you.
No boss, I didn't.
Come on, comport yourself.
Boss, know that I can't broadcast a false news for you.
Okay, you no fit give me wrong information.
Yes.
But wetin come happen as we reach there, we no see the new clothes. Where him carry am go?
Boss, I swear, he shock you as he take shock me.
He shock you as he take shock me.
Yes.
Come on, shut up your mouth. You dey mad. You dey craze. You come make me look like mumu for that place. And for that, you see you. I swear to God, you go collect. You go collect.
You go take care. What going on? Like that.
Come on, go down.
Come on. Put that. Didi, I say I come collect some clothes for you, from you.
Which clothes are you talking about? You know I don't have clothes and you're asking for clothes.
Hey, you buy some new clothes the other day.
Oh, okay. I didn't even tell you. Those clothes, my mother sees those clothes, so she sees them.
Which one you see your mother sees them? Maybe you tell us say you won't go show your mother some clothes, and I remember I tell you say you keep one trouser for me.
Yes, now that's what I'm telling you now. She sees them. I don't know where she dropped them. The day I showed her, she just carried. I don't know where she dropped it to.
Me, I no believe so you don't start to the lie for me. I don't even believe him at all.
Why would I even lie to you? You are my guy now. Wait. What happened to you?
It is smoky, Igbo.
What happened to you now? You don't have
nothing. My mama sent me a message, so one big stone just dey my face. Later I hit the stone, I fall for ground. Yeah, not for that stone.
You're not serious. You didn't see any other place to injure is your face.
No, I don't tell you say one big stone there. I know if you know, I just dey happy. I just not.
Sorry, oh.
For.
Sorry, yeah. Hey, would you like to go for picnic today?
Picnic?
Yes. Sir.
Where? When?
Yeah, the thing is that I don't know yet, though. I don't know where we are having a picnic yet. But it will be later today. Before we go.
Okay, you and who they go?
Me and Sharon and our friends.
Sharon and her friends?
Yes.
Okay, no problem. I go follow una go. If you don't know the place, just call me. Yeah, I go follow una.
I'll call you.
But you go give me that jeans so I tell you. You know, say man just look good now.
It's like talking to you is a waste of time. You didn't hear when I say my mother sees the clothes.
I don't even believe all these things where they talk now because I know say you no one. I don't dey suspect. You don't dey change.
Start going on. It's about to rain.
Did you they pursue me for your house?
No, I'm not chasing you. It's just that you're not seeing the weather. It's cloudy
no
now.
Problem. Make the rain fall. I go there with you. Yeah.
No, now.
Is your house not my house again?
No, sorry, my guy. Sorry.
No problem. I don't hear. I will go when I want. Boss, I later notice my mama sees all those clothes.
Now be the better information where you carry come.
No, get better information. They go pick me.
How many of them want go the picnic?
Nah, those two foolish boys and Sharon, the other girls, I don't know them.
When they want go the picnic?
What's not today? Like soon as said.
Today, Mamba.
No. They are even prepared.
Hey, Chomo, na better information be this.
Shebi.
Aye, na better info be this one now. We go just enter there and get down, do our matter. Nobody go feel stress us now. You as they be, but make we get down.
My boy, you are doing well.
I swear, Alengo Boroko.
I will give you go smoke. You will smoke it go. Nice one.
Maybe this now. No. I don't believe it. When you dey go through hardship, both cold and hot weather, I follow you lap. When you dey go through rough sea, I pogoto. I don't believe it. You. Na nursery 2 pikin you be. You dey smell.
My brother, no be blood tonic who dey find.
I swear.
Ọ̀nà ọ̀bùlà ọgwụ ọbara ka a na-achọ. Oke kwụsị ịdị na-agba fresh.
Na-ebecha na mpa, ka a na-agwago.
What are you telling me?
Love you evermore, love you till the sun goes down. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time. I will love you every day, love you evermore, love you to the ends of time.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
After all my warning. You still dey follow my bunny, they align. No, you dey shine teeth. You are my bunny, they open till they shine. Eh? You don't hear my warning? Eh? Obedient boy. Intelligent boy. You don't hear my warning? You don't fear. I dey ask you, you know they fear schoolboy. You dey follow my babe.
We must learn a lesson.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
We got fun now, now.
Sharon! My love for you is immeasurable. What we have is so special. Just my presence, my darkest part. My confidence, my everything, my heart, Lord.